The following is a real machine demonstration of Link 2 with a Xiaomi mobile phone. First, we turn on Link 2. Pull down the status bar to open the screen projection. Send the screen to the second generation of Link. When in use, we recommend making the wallpaper pure white and set the icon to pure black in order to bring a better display effect. In addition, if you encounter an input method that does not display when using it, when the status bar cannot be pulled down and other problems, please turn off the privacy protection option of the screen projection. After closing, you can display the status bar and input method keyboard normally. In addition, it is recommended that you open high contrast text when using it. Enable this function, it can improve the display clarity to a certain extent. Here we go. We demonstrate the connection and use of the Hongmeng system. This time, take Huawei Nova 14 as an example. The system is running as Hongmeng 6.1. First, pull down the status bar to open the wireless screen projection. Send the screen to Link the second generation. When in use, we still recommend change the wallpaper to light and pure white wallpaper. Change the icon to a pure black icon for a better user experience. At this point, we pull down the status bar. Connect Bluetooth. After Bluetooth connection, you can use reverse touch to control Hongmeng mobile phone. When you use Hongmeng equipment, in the case where the keyboard is not displayed, still in the screen projection options, turn off privacy protection. It is also recommended that you turn on high contrast text mode. Can make small text display more clearly. Let's take the Apple 14 Pro as an example. So first we turn on Bluetooth. Search and connect the Bluetooth code displayed on the link side. Click pair. Wait for the connection to be successful. When using the link, we recommend that you set the wallpaper to pure white and adjust the phone theme to light color mode in order to obtain a better display effect. Below, we drop down the status bar. Click on the screen mirror. The screen has been cast successfully. It doesn't have reverse touch yet. You also need us in the auxiliary feature in the settings. Turn the zoom button on. The screen will zoom in after opening. Now we double-click with 3 fingers, the screen returns to normal. At this point, the link already has a reverse touch function, and the following demonstrates the opening tutorial of turning off the screen and projecting the screen. This method is only available on Android devices above Android 12. Apple and Hongmeng are not supported. Before the system starts, please follow the official prompts. Download and install the two tools to make the rental library run off the screen. First, we need to open the developer options for the phone. Different brands have slightly different opening methods. Please scan the QR code on the screen. Get developer options for your own phone brand models. Open mode. After the developer options are turned on, open our Apostle Cool software. Click Pair. Click Notification Settings. Turn on the notification permission of the software. Then return. Click the pairing interface again. Scroll down to find developer options. Turn on the USB debug switch. Turn on the USB security settings switch. Different brands of models have slightly different opening methods. There is also a slight difference in the number of switches turned on. Please follow the prompts on the screen. Then we turn on wireless debugging. Click to enter wireless debugging. Click Use the pairing code to pair. Remember the current pairing code and do not return it at this time. Pull down the status bar directly. Enter the pairing code in the Start Lease Library prompt box. Prompt that the pairing is successful. Now let's go back to the software. Click to start. If your device displays the following code, it means the startup is successful. At the same time, you can see the words running on the main interface. We are in Authorized Applications. Turn on the switch that keeps the screen running. Open C Screen Run tool. Click to start the screen break. Click to activate the library. The first click will show unsuccessful. This is a software bug. Click on the blank space of the screen. Click again to open. The software display service has been started. At this time, the screen can be turned off and the screen can be projected. And the screen has gone off. We can use the link normally if you need to wake up the screen. You can turn the switch on and off again in the tool. You can also double-click the power button of the mobile phone to wake up directly.